Here's how to transfer money from bank to Wise account. The first thing that you need to do is to open your Wise account. Click on the Add Money options. Afterwards, put on the amount that you want to transfer from your bank to your Wise account. So let's say, for example, the amount that we are going to transfer is 500,000. Afterwards, click on the currency icon that you can see at the left side and select the currency that you wanted to transfer. Click on the bank or pay with the bank and make sure that it is under the e-wallet transfer or bank because the money from your bank will be transferred to Wise. Afterwards, click on the continue options and better select the nationality that is assigned or connected with the currency that you are picking a while ago. Since the currency is PHP, the nationality should be Philippines. Also put on your occupation and verify your account so you have successfully transferred the money from your bank to your Wise account. After verifying your identity and your account, you'll have successfully transferred your money from bank to Wise.